Asan yung depensa? Akala ko defense first. Pambihira. Grabe to. Hindi to basta ano lang. Diba? Eh, yung man rotation na yan, hindi pa rin talaga tinatantanan ni Coach Tim Cone. This is an international competition. God. You know what? Separate the PBA to international. This is a different level. Hindi ko binababa ang PBA, but this is a big different level. Ilan yung players ng New Zealand? Halos lahat pinasok. Tendency, fresh legs lahat ng starters pag binalik. Diba? Makakabuelo ulit sila. Pero ito, bugbog si Brownlee, bugbog si Junmar, bugbog si Scotty. Wala eh. Walang tamang pahinga eh. Walang tamang breathing. Yun yung nakakainis. Kawawa to mga player na to. Sino ba ibabash? Tapos ibabash ng mga tao si Scott, ibabash ng mga tao si Brownlee, ganyan-ganyan. Yung coach eh, hindi pinagbibigyan ng maayos na minuto si Carl Tamayo, Kevin Kiambao. Walang tiwala. Paano mabubuo yung kumpiyansa ng mga yan kung wala kang tiwala? Anong purpose ng mga yan dyan? Taga-cheer?
Um,
Kaya sila nandyan
ano,
para maglaro. No,
Stephen,
wait. Let me finish
may
this.
okay.
International to, hindi to PBA. Hindi to Barangay Hinebra. Tama yung nagsabi kanina, sana Hinebra na lang yung pinadala. Gusto magdagdag ni Coach Al ng pool. Sa totoo lang. Kasi Coach Tim Cone doesn't want to get out on his comfort zone. Come on, Tim. Get up, man. This is not an attacking on you.
All right.
The fans are mad because what are you doing on the court? Come on, Tim. I know you're a smart coach. We believe in you. You have a skill. You're a smart coach, Tim. That's why the trust of the Filipino fans putting on you. Rooting on you. Okay lang matalo eh, but really? In this, sa ganitong paraan talaga? I don't think so. I don't think so. Again, FIBA Asia Cup is too long.